Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be removing the headlights today. We first start off by removing this grill right here from these 4 clips on top. And there's going to be 2 little clips down here, 1 and 2. We're going to take off these bolts. There's these 2 bolts on top, and then there's 2 bolts on the bottom of the lights. Let's see if I can get in here and show you where those are at. Here's one right here. You're going to remove that one. And the other one's going to be underneath the grill. Here's the second headlight. Let me see if I can get you in to see this one right here. So we'll just reach down under there with the 10mm socket and get those bolts out. Here I have the headlight out all the way so you can see those bolts I was talking about. And this one right here is underneath the grill. I wasn't able to film that part of it, but it's pretty easy to get to with the 10mm socket. I'm going to remove 3 plugs, 1, 2, and 3. Here's a little close-up of the plugs. This is the little button that you're going to push. That will release the tab and let it off. Here's another one. So you're going to press that pretty hard. So just these 3 clips need to come out. Okay, while I have the headlight out, let me show you how to remove the HID bulb. It's going to be this one right here. Spin that off. Spin that to the left. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And these are the little clips right here. So you're just going to push it in and over. See, it doesn't have to come all the way up. Push it in and up. Once you got them both off, then you can pull it up. It's going to pull the light bulb right out of there. And installing is going to be the same way. Also, make sure you don't touch the bulb with your fingers. The oils from your fingers will make the bulb not last as long. Make sure this notch is on top. And it's going to go over. Same thing with this one, it's going to go over. You want to make sure all your connections are good. No corrosion on them. And all the wiring is okay. That's it. And then go ahead and put this back on. This has a little notch right here. That notch is gonna go with this. Okay, here's the removal part of the headlight. First, I'm going to remove all these little clips that's holding in the grill. And on the bottom of the grill, there's two clips that you just pull up and they'll detach. A lot of these clips are brittle, so a lot of them broke off. And this is where that other 10mm is. It's right underneath this headlight. Those little clips were hanging up, so I used a pick to help me pry them off. So like with any job, I'm going to compare the two, make sure they're the correct headlights. And then you want to clean up, or I like to clean up my surroundings. So to reinstall them, I'm just going to go in reverse. Right here, I'm removing the old clips from the new headlights that I got off of the old interweb there. Did the same to this side too. Put the grill back on. Wiping it down, getting it all clean. Reinstalling all these clips. So a lot of the clips ended up breaking when I was removing them. So I bought an assortment off Amazon. This little kit works out pretty good. It has, I don't know how many different types, but it seems to be working out great for every job that I do. I seem to use it quite often. It costs about 20 bucks. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.